You guys want these cool video effects and learn how to improve your editing skills in CapCut? In this video, I'll teach you some CapCut hacks and tricks that will make your editing stand out. So, without wasting time, let's get right into it. So, first one is the side split view. A lot of YouTubers use this trick and it looks very neat. Arrange your clips in order, select the upper layer and add 2 keyframes, one in the start and second in the middle. Select first keyframe and change its position to the side. Then add a graph. It'll choose cube out. Now, here's the tricky part. You have to select the keyframes of upper layer and then add them to the same position in the bottom layer. After doing it, add a graph and see the result. Moving on to the next, we're going to add camera movement to give this tracking effect and zoom in effect. Find camera movement in effects and apply it. Turn all these settings to 0 and keep strength as 10. It makes it much better. Next one is adding a shimmer to icons. Select and copy your icon layer, go to Curves. In Luma, turn this slider so it becomes white. Create a compound clip. Then in the compound clip, then add mask and choose split. Lower it down like this and add feathering. Change its position and add a keyframe. Then add a keyframe in the end, just like this. Now let's see how it looks. We can add a graph here as well that fits you the best, and there it is. Fourth is adding a countdown. Add a text layer, type O, and choose a font that looks minimal and thinner. Increase its size. You can add glow if you like. Now copy-paste this text layer and change its color. You can choose any color that you want. Now go to Animations out and find and select Clock Wipe. But it's in reverse, so create a compound clip and reverse it. Now here we need to add numbers, which is the countdown. Add a text layer, choose a font, and split it. Change it to 2, and then 1. Quite easy, right? That's it for today's video. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe for more. Thank you. Hope it helps.